may sound crazy, but you can do this too. All of it. It's easy. How do we know? It may sound crazy, we've made but you can do this too. At DJI, we created the flying camera as you know it. How do we know? There's a good chance that the drone videos you've seen online were shot with one of our camera as you know it. This time, there's a good chance that the drone videos you've seen online were shot with one of our first personal. This time, we started small. We're still squeezing in big power. We created it automatically follows you or whatever you want. We're still squeezing in or track power. Avoids obstacles. It automatically follows you or whatever you want. Stabilized camera without a bracelet or track flight time. Avoids obstacles and comes packed. This is the DJI Mavic Pro. 27-minute flight time. This is the DJI Mavic Pro unfolded. This is the DJI Mavic Pro. We have to rip out a ton of cool stuff. This is the DJI Mavic Pro unfolded. It's got 24 high-performance to make it this small. Dual satellite connectivity stuff, right? An all-new transmission system. It's got 24 high-performance mile range. 4 vision sensors. Connectivity. Sound complicated transmission system. It's not the 4.3 mile range. The Mavic knows where 4 vision sensors and where it is in the air. Sound complicated? Where it's going? It's not. And what it's capturing. The Mavic knows where it takes off. When you take off, the Mavic is in the air, 2 vision sensors, and what is captured up to 20 satellites. All when you take off, the Mavic uses this means the Mavic knows where home connects with up to 20 satellites. Return by itself, so it can remember your location. Landing this means the Mavic knows where it can land almost exactly where you took off by at the touch of a button. Precision landing technology as you fly means satellite systems exactly where you took off, working at the in harmony with all 4 vision sensors as you fly, telling it satellite systems and what's in front. Working whether you are flying beside all 4 vision sensors or even telling it what's below and what's in front. Just like you, whether you are flying beside a cliff, in a forest, or even indoors, avoid the things in its path. Just like you, Mavic sees and thinks. Any good flying camera avoid the things in its path. From the Mavic's expertly miniaturized gimbal keeps the entire flying camera needs stabilization. Unlike electronic stabilization, the Mavic's expertly miniaturized gimbal keeps the entire camera steady. You don't have the weight of a bulky. Unlike electronic stabilization, shooting an epic tracking shot of a friend is easy. You don't have the weight of a technology on camera. It just takes shooting an epic tracking shot of not just one kind of tracking shot. Active track technology means spotlight. It just takes a few taps. Profile, not just one kind of tracking shot either. Or use tap spotlight to tap and profile. And terrain follow mode or keeps the Mavic at a height you define. Tap as the ground rises. So you can focus on your shot. Follow mode not your height. The Mavic at a height everything can be as the ground rises. Using a gamepad sized controller shot you can keep in your height. Everything can be controlled using a gamepad sized controller you can keep in your feedback. And it opens up to clamp around your phone. Always feel and has been custom engineered. You don't want more feedback with the controller and more accuracy. Fly using virtual joysticks right from your phone. If you don't want to bother with the controller, whether you fly with the remote controller or just your phone, right from your phone. Active track modes are ready to make you shoot. Whether you fly with the remote controller or just your phone, not behind it. Active track modes just takes away and just like a pro. Want to be on camera? There's not behind it. DJI goggles. It just takes a wave and a gesture. Strap these on to really feel like you're flying. Then there's the new DJI goggles. To get your pulse strap these on, you fly to really feel like you're flying 40 miles per hour. Combine them with sport. Once you've got your shot, pulse pump, edit everything together at a DJI Go 40 miles share or even stream your flight live to Facebook. Edit everything together in DJI Inspiration Go. Can strike from the smallest thing. Even stream your flight live to Facebook or YouTube. An experience. Inspiration the Mavic has been designed for you to take it and sketch. A feeling at a moment's notice. Experience. Whenever inspiration strikes you to create something truly great. Ready at a moment's notice. Whenever inspiration strikes you to create something DJI Mavic. Wherever you go. DJI Mavic. Wherever you go.